Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's close to our hearts: common challenges in breastfeeding. Breastfeeding is a beautiful experience that comes with its own set of challenges. From latching issues to milk supply concerns, there's a lot to navigate. One of the most common challenges is finding a comfortable position for both you and your baby. It's important to remember that every baby is different, so what works for one might not work for another. Another challenge is maintaining a healthy milk supply. This can be a concern for new moms, but it's important to remember that your body is designed to produce milk for your baby. If you're worried about your supply, talk to your healthcare provider. Lastly, let's talk about the emotional aspect of breastfeeding. It's normal to feel overwhelmed or stressed at times, but it's important to remember that you're doing an amazing job. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. If you're struggling, reach out to your healthcare provider, a lactation consultant, or a support group. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, take care.